Hello, I'm Chad COMEAU from COMEAU Jewelry. I'm here to explain a little bit about a service we provide in Joplin and Pittsburgh called Back to Factory Specs, which includes the rhodium plating process. This ring is brand new from the factory with a fresh rhodium plating job. This ring is worn and aged and does not have any rhodium plating left on the piece. So we're going to demonstrate the process by which we re-rhodium plate this and bring it back to factory specs to make it brand new again. So the first step in the process of refinishing this back to factory specs and rhodium plating is to resurface the scratches and dents and dings that occur through daily wear and tear on the white gold. This process is important because if the surface of the metal is not smooth and high polished, the rhodium will not adhere. So we use a series of polishing compounds to refinish the surface of the metal in order to allow the rhodium plating to adhere to the metal. We're going to clean the polishing compound from the piece since we polished it in an ultrasonic. That takes a series of 5 minutes or so, and then we'll steam clean the piece and we'll start our rhodium plating process. So now that we've had some time in the ultrasonic to clean away the compound from the resurfacing or polishing of the metal, we'll steam clean it prior to our rhodium process. So now we're to the actual rhodium plating process for our white gold. It's all prepped, polished, and clean. Now what we'll do is with a rectifier, we'll electro clean the piece prior to rhodium plating. What this does is ensure that any oils and acids from our hands or any debris that didn't come out of the ring through the ultrasonic will now be removed for a final step. It takes about 15 seconds, and you can see the bubbles come off, and that means that it's activated and the product is doing its job cleaning the surface. We then rinse in a distilled water. Now we're ready to rhodium plate. Rhodium, again, is a metal in the platinum family, and it seals, secures, and brightens all white gold products. The action is the same with the bubbles from the electro cleaner. We rinse and look at the pristine white finish that this ring has, just like the brand new one from the factory,